Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 S550 4MATIC. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. This one does come with front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the sports package, which is going to give you the sports body styling. 19-inch AMG twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A black leather interior, panorama sunroof. This one also does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you heated and cooled seats in the front and rear. Coming around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging. Opening up the lift gates, we got a power lift gate, comfort box, a clean set of floor mats. Coming alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a nice wood and leather steering wheel, push start ignition. This one also does come with the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you Distronic Plus with steering assist. It's also going to give you an active lane keep assist, a pre-save plus, and an active blind spot assist. We've also got a surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, ambient lighting, cup holders, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, sports and comfort suspension. This S550 has 21,026 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.